Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Han, and today we're gonna make this moss totem. All the materials very easy to find it from Bunnings. At first, with using a puncher, I made several holes on plastic. TBS, the plastic is better to be more wider than mesh. On one side first, put the cable tie and tied up everything. And cut. And then just open the mesh, put the sphagnum moss inside. At the time, you don't have to put sphagnum moss. If you want, you can use other materials as well. But for me, sphagnum moss is working pretty well, so I use sphagnum moss. After that, just tied up the other side with cable tie as well. Once it's tied up everything, then cut it. This is how to make very simple way moss totem pole. It may be more suitable for climbing plant, which is only want to facing one side. Again, every material is very easy to find from Bunnings or any other stores. Hope this video give you some idea how to make moss totem. But if you feel like just buying one, then I will leave a link on the description so you can have a look. Then thanks for watching. I will see you later.